Follow the suggestion in this video to get the best out of my coffees.
Let us brew coffee from Colombia together. This is El Mirador Terra Nova. The region is Huila and the variety is Caturra. The fermentation is a classic washed. For more details on this coffee, please visit our webpage. To release all flavors of this Colombian beauty, prepare 250 grams of third wave water at 94 degrees Celsius in the kettle. Weigh out 16 grams of beans and grind them on click 25 on your Comandante. This leads to a lovely acidity and a rich body. Now rinse the paper to avoid any unwanted flavors inside the cup. Now add the ground coffee and shake the filter for an even extraction. Get ready for the 3 pours. Pour 1, 70 grams over 7 seconds, rather active circular to get water and coffee in contact and to release the trapped CO2 from the roast process. The second pour starting at 30 seconds, another 100 grams over 15 seconds, soft circular pouring starting to extract the complex flavors of El Mirador Terra Nova. Pour 3 starting at 1 minute sharp, at the last 100 grams of over 10 seconds, active circular pouring leading to a balanced, multi-layered and clean cup. Swirl after 1 minute and 25 seconds. After the total brew time of 2 minutes and 30 seconds, you can enjoy the flavors of lemongrass, prune, sugarcane and marzipan in your cup of El Mirador Terra Nova.